But of course, speaking of the bridge, you know, before I left for vacation, we ran this story telling people about the upcoming underwater explosion of the old bridge piers.
Yes.
And you and I were trying to predict what it would sound like
You did.
when that implosion happened. Yes. So now that I'm back, we're going to play back our predictions.
Really?
And the actual implosion and see how accurate our attempt was. He hasn't seen this yet. Take a look. We were told this one's going to be more of like a explosion.
Say that again?
Because it's going to be underwater.
Underwater. Yeah, they're placing the explosives 10 feet under.
Right, so you're probably not going to see anything.
Whoa, you heard that?
But we'll have the video for you so you can watch it later.
You hear the audio as well.
Yeah, we'll play that back. We'll see if it matches. Okay, so I was wrong about the sound. I was also wrong about what you were going to see.
I don't know. It really did sound like a low pitch woof.
Thank you.
Woof.
Yeah, maybe in our ears it sounds a little. Yeah. You got a whole weather segment.
I'll save that for later.
Yeah, clear the throat. Go do the weather.
Yeah, like, go, Zahara. Come on, go.